Hello students, now let's continue to activity 4. Here the story lists the vegetables that the cook had in the basket of scraps like a little bit of yam, plantain, cucumber and potato. There was a small carrot also, a handful of green beans and a few chilies. Here in this activity 4, find the other sentences in the story that makes a list. Notice the punctuation that separates the words in the list. Look carefully at the sentences and make a new sentences that list at least 4 items you have in your home. In my home there is blank blank blank. Share your list sentence with your classmate. Work together to look closely at the sentences in the story and to look closely at your own sentences. Work together to make sure each sentence is very much correct. Did you both get all punctuations correct? If not, what can you change to correct it? Right? Now let's move on. Activity 5, a new dish part 2nd. Do you need to read part once again? Yes or no? But you have already studied that. Let's see a new dish part 2nd. The cook stepped outside, looked up at the tree, and suddenly he had an idea. When, after talking with the king, cook came outside of the kitchen and he looked at the coconut tree. He took all the vegetable bits, washed them, cleaned them very well, and cut them into long stripes. He put them all into a huge pot. Sorry. He took all the vegetable bits, washed them, cleaned them well, and cut them into long strips. He put them all into a huge pot and placed it on the fire to cook. Next, he ground the fresh coconut, means in a grinding machine, mixer grinder or something, whatever he has in that time. He grounded the coconut and added green chilies, garlic, and some salt. Soon the vegetables were all cooked. He stirred in the coconut and plenty of curd, poured on some coconut oil also, and sprinkle it all with curry leaves, right? And now the new dish was ready. The cook served his invention to the guest that evening, and the guest loved it. The king liked it so much that he gave the cook a beautiful gold bracelet as a reward. Right? Everyone was very much eager to know that what was the name of that new dish. The cook thought and thought, what could he call all this mixture of many things? Then he thought of it. He named the dish avial. Avial became famous all over Kerala and is now one of the dishes in traditional feast of Kerala. Isn't it amazing, surprising that it all came from a basket of scraps and a good idea? And I know very well at your home and my home also, if regarding some vegetable or some rice, if it is left out or left after eating in the morning, our mothers make some new dishes from that, for example, if rice is left over, right, much amount of rice is left over, then our mother are making some different dishes by adding some more vegetables or like that. They are making some different dishes from that leftover things that you know very well. Okay, of what we can say, from that simple rice to fried rice, or I have heard at my home also, my mother, they are making for example, simple rice is left, suppose in the morning, dal, rice, sabji and roti is there. So that plain rice, from that plain rice my mother also makes some from that rice Chinese rice, or some by adding some chilies and some vegetables. She makes some different dishes also. I hope you understood this chapter. Let's see activity 6 also. The story told how the cook created a avial for the first time, and the cook did not have a recipe. A recipe is a list of, what we can say, instructions for making a food dish. Recipes lists the ingredients, the foods, right, used to make the dish and the method for cooking it. For example, here is one recipe is given, ingredients are is also given, and amounts is also given. Dried pasta, 3/4 cup dried pasta, 1 tablespoon butter, 2-3 tablespoons Amul cheese for spreading, 1/4 cup of milk, and a pinch of salt. What is the method? Let's see. Boil water in a large pot, add some pasta, salt, and a small amount of the butter. Cook pasta till tender and drain water. Add butter, milk, and cheese. Spread to pasta. Heat gently until butter and cheese melt, and serve very much hot to your family members. Right? So this was the activity 6, and as I know, in the COVID-19 timing, that many of the students and many of the people of your family members have learned from their mother how to cook at your home. I know also know how to prepare different kind of dishes. I know also how to cook. Now in this COVID-19, I also learned from my mother and wife the how to cook rice, dal, and all that thing. It is also great fun, and it has very nice to learn all these things. We should know everything how to cook in emergency time, in or in a problematic time we can cook, and at least we cannot go outside to eat because of the COVID-19. So stay home, stay safe, be healthy, and take care, and utilize your this time, your free time, with studies also, with having fun also at your home. Okay, thank you very much everyone.